Hello, it's Jürgen with ACT Computers, and today I'm going to show you how we used to write programs back in the 90s when we started building this company. I'll show you over here. We have an old computer. This still works, built in 1996. 486DX2-66, hot machine back then. So now we're going to show you how to write a small program. And I hope I remember everything, but we're on DOS right now. You can look at the screen. And we go to QBasic and Quick Basics, obviously. Now we do and we hit run, and it works. Look at that. Just a bunch of random lines in Quick Basic. And that was it. Thanks so much, and come to visit our website at www.actconf.us. You can purchase items all day long, or you can visit us in our beautiful retail store here in Vero Beach, Florida. Thank you.
That's it? Okay, that's great. Now, how does that come up automatically when you run the transfer to That's